So this is a zero order reaction. So a zero order reaction, the time we need to find, T is equal to 1 upon K, initial concentration R naught minus a concentration at the time T. So 1 upon K, rate constant is given as 0.0030, initial concentration is 0.1 and now it is 0.075. So when we simplify this, we get this as 8.33 seconds. So this is the time when you simplify this, just substitute in this equation, you will get the answer. Now the next question is, hydrogen peroxide decomposes to water and oxygen and it is a first order reaction. The rate constant is 1.06 10 to the power minus 3 minute inverse. How long will it take for 15% of a sample to decompose? तो जब 15% sample decompose हुआ है तो उसका time निकालना है. And the second part is when it is 85% decomposed, what would be the time? So it is given it's a first order reaction. So for first order, K is equal to 2.303 by T log the concentration of the initial reactant upon the concentration at the time T. Now time we need to find, so time T is equal to 2.303 upon rate constant, which is 1.06 10 to the power minus 3. Since it is 15%, let the initial be 100. 15% of the sample is decomposed, so remaining is 85, that is R naught initial है, let that be 100 and R is 15% decompose हो गया, तो बचा कितना 85. So it's this value that you are going to get. So this is for A, and when you simplify this, you will get the answer as 153.35 minutes. In the same manner, the time T for the second is 2.303 by 1.06 10 to the power minus 3. Now initial is 100, but अब 85 decompose हो गया, तो बचा कितना 15, and this time is 1790.06 minutes. So this is what we get when it undergoes decomposition. The next question is, a first order reaction is 20% complete in 10 minutes. Calculate the time for 75% completion of the reaction. So 20% complete हो रहा है, time दे रखा है. So you have, it is a first order, so K is equal to 2.303 by T log initial and divide by the concentration at the time, so it's R. तो रेट कांस्टेंट नहीं दे रखा. 20% जब डिकम्पोज हो रहा है तो टाइम 10 मिनट है, तो टी पता है, इनिशियल 100, रिमेनिंग इज 80, 20% डिकम्पोज हो गया. देन यू नीड टू फाइंड फॉर 70% completion. फ्रॉम देयर यू विल गेट के एंड सब्सटीट्यूटिंग. सो इनिशियली you are finding rate constant and then substituting the value of this rate constant in the second equation to get the time. Now K is equal to 2.303 by T log 100 by 80. So when you simplify, you get the value of K, and in the second case you have T as 2.303 by K log 100 by 100 minus 75, that is equal to 25, and this K would be 2.303 divided by 2.303 by 10 log 100 by 80, and this is 2.303 log 100 by 25. So 2.303, 2.303, you will have 10. This is numerator log 4, and that would be divided by log 5 by 4. So when you put the value of log 4, log 5 by 4 and you multiply by 10, you will get the answer. So you need to know the log, and the answer would be with respect to it. So here the answer that you get is 62.17 minutes. And when you simplify this rate constant on putting the log over here, if you want to do this, you can substitute and you will get the answer as 0.0223 minute to the power -1 as k. k की वैल्यू डाल देना चाहिए तो सेकेंड पार्ट में, you will get the answer same manner. Next is a reaction is first order. It is 15% complete in 20 minutes. 15% in 20 minutes. How long will it take to complete 60%? So again first order, so k is 2.303 by t log initial r naught upon r, that is at the time t. So it's 2.303 upon 20 minutes log 100 and the remaining is 85. And simplifying, you get the rate constant as 8.127 10 to the power -3 minute inverse. And then in the second part, time you need to find. k you know, log r naught by r. Now here it's 60% complete, so k is 8.127 10 to the power -3 log 40, remaining 40 है. So when you do this, you will get the answer as 112.77 minutes. So this is the time, but log again 100 by 40, you will have to solve this. I hope log a by b से भी हम कर सकते हैं. log, if you remember, you can get the value from the table, substitute and multiply, you will get the answer. Now the next is the rate constant of a first order reaction is 60-second inverse. So k is given 60-second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the concentration of the reactant to 1/16 of its initial value? So k is 2.303 by t log initial upon log concentration of the reactant at the time t. So you need to find t. t निकालना है. r naught is, let it be a, and r is 1/16 of initial. ठीक है. So k is given to us, k is 60-second inverse. So t would be 2.303 by 60 log a upon 1/16 of a. So a से a cancel out. You will have 2.303 by 60 log 16. And when you simplify this, you will get the time, which is 0.0462 seconds. Now the next question is, in a first order reaction, you need to show that the time required for the completion of 99.9% is 10 times half life of the reaction. तो जो टाइम लग रहा है 99.9% कंप्लीट होने के लिए, वो 10 टाइम्स 50% जो टाइम लग रहा था उसके इक्वल होगा. यू नीड टू शो दैट. So for doing such questions, first people write the t 99.9. What does that mean? t 99.9% का मतलब है it's the time when the reaction is 99.9% complete. That means if the initial concentration is 100, now the left is, initial 100 है, so left कितना होगा? 100 minus 99.9, that is equal to 0.1. ये बच रहा है. ठीक है. So rate constant is equal to 2.303 by t 99.9% log 100 upon 0.1, that is 2.303 by t 99.9 log 10 to the power 3. तो हमें मिला t 99.9. You can write this as 2.303 by k log 10 to the power 3. ठीक है. ये t 99.9 आ गया. और t हाफ का मतलब क्या होता है? t 50%, which is equal to 2.303 by k log r naught upon r naught by 2. So you get this as 2.303 by k log 2, t 50%. ठीक है. and this is considered to be equation 2. Now 1 and 2 you divide equation 1 by equation 2. So T 99.9% divided by T 50%, that is on the LHS. You have 2.303 by K log 10 to the power 3 from equation 1, and this is 2.303 by K log 2. This will cancel out. So you have log 2 left. ठीक है. So this is log 10 to the power 3. So this is 3 log 10 divided by log 2, which is 0.3010. log 10 1 के इक्वल होता है और ये नियरली कैंसिल आउट होगा तो ये 10 आ जाएगा. तो T 99.9% divided by T 50 is equal to nearly equal to 10. So you can write this as T 99.9% is 10 times T 50 or T half life. This is how you prove the condition. The next question is, starting from 10 gram of a radioactive element, 0.25 gram was left after 5 years. ठीक है, 10 ग्राम से शुरू हो जाते हैं, 5 years में 0.25 ग्राम बचा है. रेट कांस्टेंट निकालना है रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट का. देन यू नीड टू फाइंड द अमाउंट लेफ्ट आफ्टर 1 year एंड द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द हाफ ऑफ द एलिमेंट टू डीके. So now first of all, this disintegration is a first order nuclear decay, is a first order reaction. So K is equal to 2.303 by T log of R naught upon R. Initial कितना दे रखा है? Initial is given as 10 gram and R is 0.25 gram and the time taken is 5 years. So K is equal to 2.303 by 5 log 10 by 0.25, which is equal to 0.7379 year to the power -1. ठीक है, तो रेट कांस्टेंट मिल गया. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज़ डन. ए पार्ट हमने क्लियर कर लिया. बी क्या है? टाइम 1 year है. कितना सैम्पल बचा है? R नॉट 10 ग्राम था. अब R कितना है ये नहीं पता. K वी हैव गॉट. K इज़ 0.7379 ईयर टू द पावर -1. सो रेट कांस्टेंट इज इक्वल टू 2.303 बाई T log R नॉट बाय R. सो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग R निकालना है तो K इंटू T डिवाइड बाई 2.303 is equal to log R naught minus log of R. So when you do this, you will get log 10 by concentration of R as K into T, that is 0.7379 into 1 year divided by 2.303. When you simplify this, you will get this as 0.32. So you have to find 10 by R. 10 by R is antilog of 0.32, which is 2.09. Therefore R is equal to 10 upon 2.09, which is 4.78 gram. So this is the concentration, that is the amount of the substance after 1 year that is left. So this is a B part. So the third part is T half, which is 0.693 by K. So K we have, we can substitute 0.693 by 0.7379 and that is 0.9391 years. So this is the half life, that is for a radioactive element to decompose to 50%, it requires this many years. Now the next question is, a first order reaction decomposes 30% in 40 minutes. Calculate the T half. First order है, time 40 minutes लग रहा है for decomposing to 30%. That means initial is R naught कितना होगा यहाँ पे 100. अब बचा कितना है 40 मिनट्स में, that is 0.30 डिकम्पोज हो गया, तो बचा कितना 70. So rate constant is equal to 2.303 by T log r naught by r. ठीक है, when you simplify this, that is 2.303 by 40 log 100 by 70, and this you will get as the time 30 minutes. इसका रेट कांस्टेंट आ रहा है 8.918 10 to the power minus 3 minute inverse. Once you get k, we know t half is equal to 0.693 by k. k मिल गया तो 0.693 डिवाइड बाय 8.918 10 to the power minus 3 minute is your answer, which is 77.7 minutes. So it's 77.7 minutes the half life period.